guess what time it is? Crawfish time for early Father's Day. Yay!
Get my gun on here.
They're alive.
Yeah, they're still. Ooh, they're big.
They're alive, yeah.
Alright, so first what we're doing, we have to purge the crawfish, which means we have to let the crawfish soak in water with salt. That way, the crawfish can like throw up all the mud and all the little disgusting things in it.
Pick 2 people to perform a dance move of your choice.
Oh, hell
You pick
no.
the worst performer to drink. Honoring them.
Yeah.
What dance?
Do the boss one. What, the one like this?
See?
Oh, how about the thing?
See, I can do it. See? I can do it.
No. Dude, I want you to do the savage costume.
No, you already picked it. Claps. I don't know how to do that one. Did you get that?
Starting with you, take turns naming a color. Continue until someone hesitates or repeat a color that person drinks.
Go.
Blue,
Yellow.
Purple,
Green,
white,
Okay.
red.
orange,
brown.
I didn't hesitate.
Yes, like this. You went. And then drink.
Your turn. That's a good one.
After this card is read, everyone must play in silent until it is your turn again. First person to laugh or talk drinks
Oh my god.
and ends the silent. So
You have to
right
be
now,
silent.
we have to be completely silent unless you're reading your card. And the first person to make a sound has to drink, and then it ends it. So it's ready, starting now.
Make any action. The next person repeats all previous actions and adds another. Continue on until someone messes up. That person drinks.
What are actions?
Snap and add. Did we all lose
So
that?
why did you have to drink twice?
You want to drink?
Yeah, you laugh and.
Do you want to know the
On the
time?
count of 3, everyone holds up either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Whoever does opposite of you drinks.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Everyone wearing glasses drinks.
Yeah, right.
Make up a rule that everyone has to follow until it is your turn again. Anyone who breaks the rule has to drink.
What's the
I'll
rule?
make a rule.
Speak in a British accent.
What do you mean?
You have to speak in a British accent like
Yeah.
this.
The whole entire time?
Yeah, I know.
I'm just not gonna talk. Fuck that.
Until it's my turn again.
Oh, but when you read it, then
yeah, you have to
stop.
read it in the English accent.
Misery loves company. Keep this card. You can use this card once to force someone to drink with you.
Card like pick a person to play rock, paper, scissors, and we're loser drinks.
Okay, go.
Rock, paper, scissors. That's really not a drink. An accent.
No, but you did it
Right?
first.
I know
Yeah.
you did too, but we have to keep going until it's my turn.
Dang.
Really?
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
We pass.
What? Are you really?
Got the free pass.
Alright, we can stop talking now.
Crawfish. No, just more.
Bye.
You don't have to eat the gills, but it's stuff like that though.
Thank you.
Father's Day.
Next week. But you know we can order it that week though, Paul. We're doing catfish next week. Huh? Catfish next week, yeah. We're doing catfish. Bring one. We waited for you to open the thing.
Spicy a little bit.
Cheers! Happy Father's Day!
Happy early Father's Day!
Happy early Father's Day!
About Haley, nothing?